Hey everyone, welcome to my screencast for this week, day 7 and 8. What you guys are going to complete for this week, you are going to complete, if you go to our classwork, you're going to find something called a Tic-Tac-Toe menu choice board. So what you guys are going to do first is, this is the PowerPoint for this for today's meeting. And then if you go down to the choice board menu, everyone has gotten a copy of the Google Doc form. So if you guys go to classwork, click on your Tic-Tac-Toe menu choice board for natural selection unit. Now what you're going to do in this is exactly like how you guys do when you play Tic-Tac-Toe. You're trying to create a line, a straight line, however you want, diagonally, horizontal, vertical, but there is one thing, okay? You have to start with number 5. So if you go to number 5, there's a star there telling you this is where you start. So it says, start by completing your third natural selection circle map entry based on what you learned from the physical lab week. And if you guys remember last week, there was no Google meetings, but you guys did complete a physical lab at home, testing out a trait. How did it go? Your reflection, you created your own, and then you created a reading. All of these assignments that I will be going over and grading those today. So if you did not complete week 3's assignment, you are still not late, but you need to hurry up and submit those missing work to me as soon as possible. Okay, so back to the choice board. Now, after you have completed step 5, this is where you get to choose however you want to create your tic-tac-toe line. Okay, so if you, let's say you want to go the vertical line this way, right? Then you're going to complete 2, 5, 8. If you want to go diagonally, you complete 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so really up to you however you want to complete it. But there are all these different options. All of these options are done using different tools that we have on the internet, right? Okay, now one thing you need to take note of is options 3, 4, and 9. 3, 4, and 9. What you're going to do is the work that they ask you to complete, there is no way you can complete it onto the Google form. So you're going to have to email me or share the link for options 3, 4, and 9. Okay, you're going to have to email me or share me the link for 3, 4, and 9. Rest of them, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After you complete the assignments that they ask you to do, the activities, what you're going to do is, instead of emailing me or sharing the links for 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to go back to here, day 7.3, Tic-Tac-Toe choice board, and then it's a Google form. You're going to go over here. Same thing, right? Your first, last name, period, and then you have the first section of today's Tic-Tac-Toe menu choice board. Okay, so it says task number 5. What's task number 5? Remember, it's the one that you start off with. So after you start off with this, so everyone should be filling this out. It says task 5, describe what you learned from the first activity. Use this space to write down reflections, notes, and or responses to the question for that specific activity, which is number 5. And then it says your requirements are use 10 complete sentences to complete this section. If you notice, each of when I say 10 sentences, they're worth 10 points. So that means you need to make sure you are thorough and detailed in your writing, and you tell me exactly what you learned from all the different circle maps that you've created, especially the one that you did last week in the physical lab. What did you learn from those physical labs? Okay, so after you do task number 5, right here where everyone starts off with no matter what choices you do, now you get to complete your first choice. Okay, you don't have to do the whole line today, just one step from number 5. So your first choice, okay, same thing. let's say I decided to go to Canva to create a one-pager about natural selection. What did I learn about it, right? Because I'm going from 5 to 3, right? I'm trying to make a line this way. So when I do number 3, and remember number 3 is an option, so you have to email me or share me the link of your one-pager, right? And most of you guys know how to do that, so that's great, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you use this space to write down what you did, the reflections, notes, responses to the questions for that specific activity. So here, what did you do specifically here? You're gonna use 10 sentences to complete that section, 10 points, okay? Now, remember, the goal of this project is for you to complete a tic-tac-toe line, right? The next step will be for the following class meeting is completing your second choice activity, okay? So you don't have to rush through all 3 today. You just need to do 2 for today. And then after you do so, you'll complete another form similar to this, which will be posted on day 8, okay, which is Wednesday and Thursday. Then all you have to do is submit this to me to get your credit for today, just day 7. Okay, that's it. So you have the option of how you want to make your tic-tac-toe line. I'm not forcing you how you want to do it. You just get to choose which you feel comfortable is going to best represent your work. Okay, all right, well, enjoy my screencast. Stop by my office hours if you have any questions. Good luck, everyone.